Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use 3 WhatsApp in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to use 3 or multiple WhatsApp in your single iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So basically there is no any official way to use multiple accounts in your one WhatsApp app, so you must have to install multiple WhatsApp applications. So open your app store and here you have to go for search and you just have to simply search for WhatsApp. So once you have searched, here you can see there's our official WhatsApp Messenger app. I have already installed it, or just second application, which is WhatsApp Business. This is the second official application from WhatsApp, so you can easily install it. Once you have installed, so it means you can use two accounts in one phone. You can log in with a new number in your WhatsApp business applications, and once you have logged in you can use two accounts. So if you want to get more accounts on your one phone, you just have to open your search bar again, and here you have to simply search for app cloner. Simply search for this app, and once you have searched you just have to install any specific app from here. In my case, I'm going to install, for example, this app. So with the help of this app, you can easily make dual apps. For example, if you have one WhatsApp, you can easily make two WhatsApps using this app. You can easily make the clone app or dual app of the specific app, or you can easily make the dual app for WhatsApp business. So it means that you can easily use four WhatsApp accounts in your single iPhone. So that's how you can easily use three WhatsApp or multiple WhatsApp accounts in your single iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.